Alright guys, imagine a world where you don't have to jiggle with multiple wallets or pay crazy gas fees or messing around with risky bridges. Just one account, one click and just do everything across the blockchains. Sounds crazy, right? Well, this is Mono Protocol guys. This is Taco. Let's dive into the video. Alright guys, we've headed into their website and the first thing you can see of course is join the token sale right now, and they're right now on the earliest pre-sale stage, which means the biggest discounts and the best entry points. The total pre-sale supply is right now on 533 million in mono guys. So sold in a progressive batch structure, 197 batch with prices going up as each batch of course sells out. They've already raised about 1.77 million during the whitelist launch, showing of course strong momentum, and you can join using Ethereum, Bitcoin, USD and all those other major altcoins. So just with one click guys, you can just click on it, and I've already connected my wallet of course, and you can buy mono as soon as possible. So very easy explained, step by step. You can just check it out. If you don't have a wallet, just check on YouTube and open your own wallet. Not to forget, Mono Protocol is a chain abstraction protocol that unifies per token balances across chains and delivers instant MEV resilient execution, making Web3 guys feel like one network while lowering costs, boosting retention and creating monetizable network effects for early supporters guys. So the MEV, very important, it is basically when bots or insiders jump in front of your transactions to make extra profits, and they are making that they're blocking it, and Mono's liquidity locks of course they stop that from happening, so your traders go through for fairly and safely guys. So you can also see here faster, cheaper locks, liquidity locks also, with compatible with all networks, transactions and tokens guys, chain abstracted, and here we have the Mono balances, a single per token balance across the network. So the important thing about is you can build apps that just work, so they strip out their complexity that undermines executions, and retentions, letting you deliver seamless experiences that attract users. So also save time, cut costs, and of course ship fast. No need to build cross-chain logic, or of course they handle their complexity, so you can focus on development and ship the app you want. Also monetize every transactions. You can generate revenue with of course the transactions fees, while your users benefits from MEV protection guys. Also the advantage of course the speed, reliability, and their cost of course lower than traditional bridges, no front running, price impact or value loss. And now on with the token utility guys, the universal gas and protocol fees. Mono is used to pay paymaster fees for universal gas of course, and it powers the whole ecosystem guys. It pays for gas, protocol fees, staking rewards and execution bonds, keeping the network running smoothly of course. The security and the governance via staking, so the grant governance rights, the protocol revenue, the shareholdings. Mono also gives you a say in the protocol, and you get governance of course, rights to vote on decisions, and even a share of the protocol's revenue. So they are very community based guys. This is very important, so you get your own say. And of course we have the execution bonds for instant settlements, so solvers / routers log Mono as a performance bonds to guarantee of course the instant execution under the resource lock models. Then here guys we have the Mono Tokenomics. Here is where their supply went to, with a pre-sale of 50%, liquidity with 10, marketing with 10, their team of course 5%, treasury and governance 5, strategic reserve also 5, ecosystem, and their user rewards and their private round also on 5. And their initial supply is of course on 141 million right now. Here we have their roadmap. This is the important part because this is how their step by step their plans are running by. So we have their team, of course, they hire the core team protocol, finalize product, architecture, chain, of course, abstraction, liquidity logs, universal account, fee abstraction, and then the technical spikes. And guys, the important part is of course Q4 in 2025, so their marketing package and their pre-sale launch. So brand and messaging, of course, their website V1 docs, pitch deck on pager, light paper, of course, tokenomics draft, publish public roadmap, legal compliance review for the pre-sale, of course, and the community growth, Discord, Telegram, the ambassador program, early builder waitlist, developer preview, so the SDK alpha, reference the app, and the Mo US with design partners. So they're planning a beta launch on the Q4, and this isn't just a hype. This is the developers and the users will get real SDK tools and hands-on access to the platform, guys. So you can start building or using Mono right away. So guys, this was my very beautiful shortly review about Mono protocol. This is their early stage, guys. The project already shows traction, of course, racing with 1.5 million in the whitelist round. And this isn't just a pre-sale by pre-sale for hype. The MVP products are ready to launch very soon, backed up by top tier blockchain engineers and advisors. So guys, this was Mono Protocol. See you guys, let's get to the outro. Alright guys, hope you guys liked the video. This was Mono Protocol, not just a hype. This one has potential because they're very community bonded. Of course, none of this is financial advice, guys. Don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe. This was Taco, and like always, see you guys next time. Ciao.